And hello once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AAB Cooling Super Silent Fan 9 Blue LED. Basically what this is supposed to be a silent and efficient 92mm fan. Actually 3 of them because it's a free pack. And I'll get to you in a minute why I need them. Right, let's take at least one out. So here we are. I only really need 2 of them. And as I said, I will explain why, and it will be going in my PC. So here we are. So if you want to have a look at the specs, here they are. I think you can see that. So there's the dimensions, the RPM at 1400. Okay. So there you go, there's your specs. So let's take one out of the box and see what you get. Alright, so it comes with, what's that? Oh, a sticker, don't need that. Everything comes with stickers these days, so you get 4 screws and plus washers. It's rarely that you get washers with things, but at least you get your 4 fan screws. And here they are, just, well, they're blue LED'd, and they are 3 pins. Wire, adequate size for what I need it for. Yeah, for the price, I guess it's not bad. So it's £16 for free. About just under £5. Well, just over £5 actually, I should say. A fan, you know, it's not bad. Yeah, so I've got 3 of them. Now I'll get into what I'm about to do with them. Right, so we're inside the PC. So as you can see there, we've got an SSD drive. Now we've got one of these things that are missing here, and we've got a hard drive there, and the same thing here. There's a thing missing there, and there's a second hard drive there. Now what I want to do is stick 2 fans in, one there, just to give a little bit more cooling to the hard drives, because being almost 40 degrees, I got a little bit worried. So the temperature did rise a bit, but the hard drives were fine, but I just always thought I'd give it a bit of extra cooling. So I'm going to manage that. Well, I've got 2 of these things where you mount hard drives. So I'm intending, it's got a nice hole in there, so what I'm going to tend to do is put a fan in that one, and a fan in that one, and stick them there. So you got the cooling coming down, so you've got a nice big fan here. It is very dusty in here. I haven't cleaned it out for a long time. Should do that. So we've got a nice big fan coming here, sucking air in. So hopefully it'll suck that cool air downwards with the 2 little fans. And there's an extractor fan here with a vent, so that sucks the air out there. Yeah, it's very dusty in here. It needs a good clean out. I haven't cleaned it, as I said, I haven't cleaned it out for a long time. It's really that I'll take the PC to bits. Right, so we're going to get on with that and see how it goes. Right, so here we are. I've mounted them. Spins freely. So what I had to do is just mount them from the back there and there. There's no way of putting screws in the front, but it's securely down, so it's okay. So I've done both of them. So the next step is to install them. So what I have to do, I've mounted the top one, all I have to do is mount the bottom one. So what I have to do is tuck the wire through, hopefully it goes round, and slide as I was installing the hard drive. Just shut that up. As you can see, they're in there. They're sort of covering the whole entire, well, not exactly the entire drive, but where it needs to be. So next thing is to do, connect it all up and fire it up. Time to switch it on. So they're pretty bright. So you see the top one's spinning there, bottom one's spinning there. Yeah, should cool them down a little bit more than what they were. So it's extra cooling. So we got, as I said, a big fan is sucking air in. Also, that's going to make the air blowing onto the hard drive. Hopefully if it's going to work like that. Maybe I should have turned them upside down so the heat, right, so it brings the heat up maybe. I don't know. It's all experimentation, but then we've got the extractor, the duct fan, sucking more air out. So, yeah. So there we are. We'll look through the window, the side's on, so you can't really see them because of the light on the camera, but they do light up quite a lot. Yeah, so let's just hope it works. Yeah, so it's going to help. It's got to help if anything. So yeah, hopefully that's £16 well spent, or at least on 2 fans anyway. I'll probably find a use for the 3rd one. Anyway, going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.